Hello, everybody. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. But anyways, I had to do this because I felt that this was extremely important to me, and maybe someone else might get a good idea out of this. Okay, let's go back a little bit. First of all, my name's Angela. Hi. And I don't normally sound like this, but I have three boys under 5, and I have a husband. No other female presence in the house. Lucky me. That's okay. I wanted my boys and I love them. Every minute of them. All 4 of them. Anyways, if you're really close to me, like really, really close to me, you know I've been on this mission to find myself some good cleaning product. Now, I hate to clean with a passion, and I think I figured out why. At least some of why. I hate to clean because whenever I'm trying to scrub something, it takes forever to clean it, and you still don't see that it's clean. It feels like there's still stuff there. I have not found yet an alternate cleaning product yet for my bathtub. My husband is a semi-trailer, fire truck, and all that stuff mechanic. So he comes home, he takes a shower, and then there's this film of grease on the bathtub and the walls, and it's like a stain that you can never ever get off. I've tried Comet, I've tried bleach, I've tried the natural products. I've tried Grove, I've tried Miss Myers, I've tried the vinegar mix and the peroxide mix. Still, there's a stain there. So if anybody could direct me in a way to maybe try to get the stain off, that's my dog, one of them, that'd be awesome. Because like I said, I have been on a mission for cleaning for the last however long, to the point where I don't even want to clean anymore. It's so hard with children, a stay-at-home mom. You're always running and running. Even moms that go to work and everything. When do you have time to actually clean, spick and span clean, and not spend time with quality time with your family? Or you just get so frustrated that you just want to stop cleaning because it doesn't look clean anyway. Anyways, long story. Sorry, at least 2 minutes and 37 seconds of it. Anyways, now I'm going to give credit to my husband. Like I told you, I've been trying cleaning products, and I'm in the kitchen right now, and it's not clean. It's not clean, but it's getting there, and there's things that we have to get done, painting we have to do, all sorts of stuff. It's not clean. Anyways, one of the things I hate cleaning is the front of my refrigerator. It's a black refrigerator. I'm not even going to show you that right now. My stove, because it's always a greasy mess with splatters everywhere and stuff like that, and it just is so hard, and you gotta scrub. And my sink, because there's never cleaning it, meaning there's always dishes in it. No matter what I do, we could be doing dishes all day, there's always going to be dishes in it. I've come to the conclusion it's not going to be spick and span. Anyways, back to I give my husband credit. I really like Miss Myers cleaning products that I found about a year ago. Yes, I know it's been around longer, but anyways, when I started this real cleaning whatever, trying to find something easier that you don't have to kill yourself with. Anyway, I really like this Miss Myers stuff because they come with different scents, and it's natural, and it's not toxic and all of this fun stuff. And it usually does a really, really good job. So I've been using it. There's still some things, and some of the smells are really iffy, and so you're kind of hit and missing unless you know really what you want, and if you could get the same thing again. Anyways, back to this again, giving my husband credit. I gave him a really hard time about it too, because I told him to go to Target. That's where we're going with this. I told him to go to Target when he was at Target to get whatever he needed to get, like diapers, wipes, the stuff that we have to have. When I told him to go to the Target, I said, look at the Miss Myers smells and see if they have anything that's flowery. Well, he says that there's no Miss Myers right now at Target, which I don't know, because like 2 days ago there was Miss Myers. But here nor there, calling the kettle black, if not then sorry, Mike. Anyways, he says there's not any kind of Miss Myers products there. I'm like, okay, well, whatever. Fine. But he ended up getting something else. He ended up bringing something home anyways. And I'm like, I don't really want to try anything new, because then here we go again. You know, we're just going to waste the money on something that doesn't work. And then we're going to have another bottle under the sink collecting dust and dirt, because I don't want to throw it away, because I don't want to waste anything because it costs money. Yeah, that's how my brain works. Anyways, that's why I have half the crap I have. I don't want to waste the money. Eventually, I'm going to need it. Yeah, this year also I'm decluttering. We'll talk about that another time. Anyways, I wanted to do a little bit of a review of what Michael brought home to us. And I tried it today. And this is the only reason I'm doing this review, because I gave him a hard time about it. I didn't want to try it. I'm like, you know what? I smelled it the other day and I didn't care for the smell. It just smelled kind of like chemically. You know, it didn't really smell like it's supposed to. Anyways, I give him a hard time about it. But I did use it today. So here is what it is. Oh, and also, like 2 weeks ago, I fell because I freaking fall hazard, I swear. Anyways, I fell when we had that snow day and I sprained my wrist. And they said it should be better in 2 days, and it hasn't been. So I'm struggling with my wrist still. I don't have it in the brace, but the front, back, all over. Anyways, I got an appointment for that. Here and there, I can't squeeze very well, and I can't pick things up. So it's hard to get in and out of anything. So think about scrubbing. You use your dominant hand, most likely, to scrub any kind of surface. Unless you're ambidextrous, you have a dominant hand. Well, my hand is right. I'm a right-handed dominant user. Anyways, to be able to squeeze the handle's a little bit difficult. And to scrub, it's a little bit difficult. So today I tried it. Anyways, it's called Everspring. Everspring down-to-earth solutions that are up to earth standards. And I think Michael said this was actually the Target brand cleaning supplies. This stuff is called Rose Water and Mint All-Purpose Cleaner, and it's a seasonal collection. But supposedly it is the Target brand. Let's see, it says, made with you, your home, and family in mind, inspired by the first blossoms of spring. This all-purpose spray leaves surfaces clean and lightly scented, with hints of delicate rose petal and mint. I think, okay, maybe it'll smell okay. But it says it's made with naturally derived fragrance. Everspring Rose Water and Mint All-Purpose Cleaner is USA Dirt certified, blah, 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 blah. Never used tested on animals, which is awesome. So when it says it's naturally derived of fragrance, they're using actual roses and actual mint to make the smells. It says it's made of water, lilac acid, plant derived, capryl glucoside, plant derived, laurel. You could see it. So anything. It doesn't it doesn't contain bleach. It doesn't contain anything that would be toxic to anybody except for the acids, right? Okay, so, and of course, keep it out of reach of children. Everything should be out of reach. Okay, and then all-purpose cleaner, spray surface, wipe clean with a cloth, spot test on inconspicuous area before use. Well, I never spot test. Maybe I should, but I never spot test. And also, I never actually, oh yeah, we don't have any cabinets right now. We're redoing those too. So this is like my tour of my nasty kitchen that we're trying to update. Yep, our black chalkboard wall has to be updated. Anyways, back to Everspring. I tried it today. I sprayed my sink down with it. I'm not going to, I should show you my sink. My sink's still, it's not dirty with junk. It's just dirty. Anyways, but I do like this because I have been ordering from Grove. And I do like even my husband swears by these. They are walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. So basically what this is that's walnut shells ground up in recycled fibers is the brown part of it. And it's a plant-based cellulose, which is that part of it. And these work better than any of those cheap, generic, or even expensive brushes and scrubs that are in stores that have the blue and the green, and then when they get really, really worn down, they start chunking out and all that crap. No, these are nice. We've been using them for about a year, and they're 100% biodegradable, which is really cool too. And you wouldn't think walnut and stuff, it doesn't scratch. You could use them on any of your really expensive pans. It's awesome. And it gets where it needs to go. Anyways, back to the Everspring. Everspring. Anyway, I cleaned the sink up today, and then I cleaned something I don't clean all the time because I just never really have the time to do it. So it kind of gets away from me, just like anybody would know that has many children or just many things to do in their lives. It gets away from you. All right, so I cleaned the front of my stove, around the knobs of my stove, and I actually cleaned like the broiler area of the stove on the very bottom. You would never believe it if you don't ever check in there and you put your pots and pans or your pans and stuff and your flat trays and stuff like that down there, and you don't clean it all the time. Oh, it gets so filthy. So, just make an idea sometime to try and clean that. Anyways, that's my 411. Then I cleaned the very bottom of my refrigerator, not inside, just the outside, where dirt gets, where grease spills, maybe my dogs pee on the floor, and it sprays up. And never mind, they're old, they're 17, give them a break. And it was really nasty, marks and everything. Here, I sprayed it one time. I didn't even really let it set too long. I used my little walnut scrubber with some water, and I sprayed where I wanted to clean just to see how it would work with my dominant hand. That in turn hurts, and I can't flip this around, so I'm going to have to show you like this. My dominant hand that hurts. I got this thing pretty dang clean. One squirt, basically, well, not one squirt, like one squirt in each area. You can see yourself again. Hello! You can see yourself again. And then, look at this. My broiler is like brand spanking new down there. Don't look at my pants. Those are gross. But my broiler, it was filthy here and here. And I barely had to touch with my sponge. I obviously did, but I barely had to. I used my nasty hand. That hurts like heck. And then here is the difference between, and of course I have to do the rest of my refrigerator. Again, please don't judge. But look at this. Nasty, right? Sparkling. Look, you could even see where the difference is. Sparkling, nasty. Don't look at that. I gotta move the refrigerator and do that. Like I said, 2023 in January, I started trying to do, anyway, my goals. Little goals at a time. Baby steps, but they're working. But I'm so impressed. Look at this. Sparkling, nasty. Sparkling, nasty. If this stuff keeps up with very little struggle or very little sweat and grime pain, I'm going to actually enjoy this stuff. So, Mike, great find. Everspring, Target brand. This is the rose water and mint. I'm going to use this entire bottle before I buy another bottle of it because I really like it. But the next thing I'm going to check, because this is an all-purpose cleaner, I am going to check my bathroom. I'm going to try it in my bathtub, and I'm going to try a spot and see if it does it just like it did with my refrigerator and with my stove. If it did, this is going to be my all-new go-to cleaner. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't too boring. The babies are all sleeping, and I'm trying to be a little quieter, and my voice sucks because everybody in this household had strep throat last week, so I'm trying to clean that all up too. So anyways, I just got some kind of weird sinus ass thing going on. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was a little entertaining. This is more of the first review I've ever did, but if you guys liked this review, please leave me a comment. Um, if you guys can think of anything that would bite the dirt, literally, in my tub from grease and grime, that's not toxic. I don't want anything that I have to put gloves on for and have to wear a mask on. I just want something I can use because my babies are always around me. They're always here. And I have to use something that's safe to be able to clean. Otherwise, I don't get to clean, you know. Anyways, again, my name is Angela. Hello to all the people that know who I am. Again, sorry about my filthy kitchen, but I'm working on it. That's what I'm trying to do. And maybe, you know what? I might even try and do this wood thing. Let's see how it goes. Maybe I'll have an updated review if you guys want to see it. All right? Have a blessed day. And till next time, I hope. Let me know if you want to see more. Till next time. Bye-bye.